just held. Live pictures out of Brussels. But I want to go on to some breaking news from Michigan. Governor Gretchen Whitmer has just filed a lawsuit asking the Michigan Supreme Court to decide if abortion rights should be protected under the state constitution. She's the first governor to take this step since the U.S. Supreme Court signaled that it could weaken or even overturn Roe versus Wade. If the High Court overturns Roe, a 1931 law outlining abortion in Michigan would go back into effect. But if the governor succeeds, Michigan would join 16 other states and Washington, D.C. in codifying abortion rights. With us now, Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer in her first national TV interview since filing the lawsuit. Governor, it's a pleasure to see you. What exactly are you hoping the Michigan Supreme Court will do here?
Well, listen, the assault on women's privacy rights and bodily autonomy is no longer a theoretical risk. It is a very clear and present danger. And that's why I'm going to court. I'm using unique tools that the governor of Michigan has to protect women's rights. And we're going straight to the Michigan Supreme Court to ask that they acknowledge women have the right to privacy, the right to bodily autonomy under our due process clause and our equal protection clause of the Michigan Constitution. So no matter how muddled Roe gets at the national level, Michigan women will have those rights going forward.
So what are these unique tools that you're using?
So the governor of Michigan has a constitutional ability to take on a constitutional question on behalf of the citizens of Michigan. So I can file this lawsuit because I've got the constitutional authority to do that. I also have tools to bypass the local courts and the Court of Appeals and go straight to the Michigan Supreme Court. They have never weighed in on this issue. It is absolutely imperative that they do because we know that the Supreme Court, the U.S. Supreme Court, is going to be rendering a decision soon, whether it's a complete overturning of Roe or it is severely additionally undermining Roe. We do not have time to waste or risk. There are a lot of women in Michigan and families and providers who are counting on this right that we've had for 49 years.
So what happens if the state Supreme Court does not rule in your favor?
Well, listen, the fight would continue, but the fact of the matter is we believe we've got a compelling state argument on behalf of the people of this state that this is a right that is covered by the Michigan State Constitution, and that's precisely why we're pursuing this. We're being aggressive about it because there's no time to waste with this impending decision from the U.S. Supreme Court.
Governor Gretchen Whitmer, thank you so much for being with us this morning. I very much appreciate your time.